there's a third one right there. It's just with, oh wait, where'd they go? There's one, there's the two that are real close to each other. And I'm zoomed in, guys. Unfortunately, this is the kind of camera I have, so I don't want to hear it. And then the other one is right there. They're red. They're just red lights. See if I can get any closer to see where they're going, because they always go down behind the trees. Ooh, this is kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of scary. Where'd it go? Where'd they go? Ouch, ouch, ouch. I don't see him now. Yeah, they're gone. So they went down somewhere. They went down somewhere. Oh my god. Scared me to death. Wait. I'm hearing something. Now that sounds like a plane. That actually sounds like a plane. Yeah, that's an actual plane. That is an actual plane. See the difference, guys? You can really hear that that's a plane. The other things, not so much. I wonder if this one's heading in the same direction. Oh, that one's just going somewhere. And that's another plane right there, I think.